A breath of fresh concern, the urgent need for gas management. The air we breathe, once a given, is now a point of concern. Our very survival depends on the air's delicate balance. However, human activities are disrupting this balance, threatening our planet's health and our own. Dangerous gases, byproducts of industrial processes and urbanization, are accumulating in our atmosphere. These gases trap heat, leading to global warming and unpredictable climate patterns. The consequences are already being felt: rising sea levels, extreme weather events, and disruptions to ecosystems. Effective gas management is no longer a choice but a necessity. We must act decisively to reduce emissions and mitigate the effects of these harmful gases. Our future depends on our ability to breathe clean air and maintain a healthy planet. The time for action is now. Our survival and that of generations to come hangs in the balance. The urban exhale industrialization and the rise of harmful emissions. The growth of cities, while an engine of progress, comes at a cost. Industrialization and urbanization, hallmarks of modern society, are major contributors to harmful gas emissions. Factories, power plants and vehicles release a cocktail of pollutants into the atmosphere, jeopardizing air quality. Carbon dioxide, a potent greenhouse gas, is a primary culprit. As we burn fossil fuels for energy, we release vast amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, trapping heat and warming the planet. Methane, another powerful greenhouse gas, is released from agricultural activities and natural gas leaks. The sheer scale of these emissions poses a significant challenge. As cities grow and industries expand, so too do the levels of harmful gases in our air. This cycle of pollution threatens to overwhelm our planet's natural systems. Addressing these emissions is crucial for mitigating climate change and ensuring a healthy future. Technological hope, filtering the air we breathe. While the challenge is immense, there is hope. Innovative technologies are emerging, offering solutions to filter the air we breathe and capture harmful gases. Air filtration systems, both large-scale and personal, are becoming increasingly sophisticated, removing pollutants and improving air quality. Carbon capture and storage technologies offer another promising avenue. CCS plants capture carbon dioxide emissions from industrial sources, preventing their release into the atmosphere. The captured carbon dioxide can then be stored underground or utilized in various industrial processes. The transition to cleaner energy sources is also crucial. Renewable energy, such as solar, wind and hydropower, offers a sustainable alternative to fossil fuels. By harnessing the power of nature, we can generate electricity without emitting harmful greenhouse gases. These technological advancements provide a glimmer of hope. However, widespread adoption and further innovation are essential to address the scale of the challenge we face. Section 4. A global compact policy, cooperation, and the quest for clean air. Technological solutions alone are not enough. Addressing the global challenge of harmful gas emissions requires strong policies, international cooperation, and a shared commitment to a cleaner future. Policymakers play a crucial role in enacting and enforcing regulations that limit emissions from industries and vehicles. Carbon pricing mechanisms such as carbon taxes or cap-and-trade systems can provide economic incentives for companies to reduce their carbon footprint. International agreements like the Paris Climate Accord provide a framework for global cooperation on climate action. However, translating these agreements into concrete action requires sustained effort and a willingness to overcome national interests for the sake of the planet. The quest for clean air demands a collective response, transcending borders and uniting nations in a shared purpose. Section 5. Empowering change, public awareness and community action. While governments and industries have a vital role to play, the transition to a low-emission future also hinges on public awareness and community action. Informed and engaged citizens can drive demand for sustainable products, support policies that promote clean energy, and hold businesses accountable for their environmental impact. Education and awareness campaigns are crucial for empowering individuals to make informed choices. By understanding the impact of our consumption patterns and advocating for change, we can collectively contribute to a cleaner, healthier planet. Community initiatives such as tree planting drives, neighborhood cleanups, and local advocacy groups can have a tangible impact on air quality and environmental sustainability. Every action, no matter how small, contributes to a larger movement for change. Section 6. Balancing Act, Economic Growth, and a Sustainable Future. The transition to a low-emission future requires a delicate balancing act. We must strive for economic growth while safeguarding the health of our planet. This requires a shift in perspective, recognizing that environmental protection is not a barrier to prosperity, but rather a prerequisite for long-term sustainability. Investments in renewable energy, energy efficiency, and sustainable infrastructure can create new jobs, stimulate innovation, and drive economic growth while reducing our environmental footprint. By embracing a circular economy where resources are used efficiently and waste is minimized, we can decouple economic growth from environmental degradation. The challenge is complex, requiring significant investments, technological advancements, and a fundamental shift in our consumption patterns. However, the rewards are great: a healthier planet, a more sustainable future, and a better quality of life for all.